Yeah, I found it really useful. I've been doing tapping for a long time, and with Tamara for a long time as well. And I've tried to use it on my children before and haven't really got very far. So even though I tap with clients and I tap on myself regularly, it's not something I've been able to. It wasn't something I was able to do with my children. And then going on the course showed me some of the pitfalls that I'd fallen into about why it wasn't working with my children, and about how to, yeah, tap on myself, tap on their teddies, tap on, yeah, basically anything apart from them, which is what I was trying to do. And yeah, and it's really got its place in our family. I learned a lot. I found it very empowering.
Brilliant. Thank you so much. So if anyone has any questions about the course or wants to know more, I will post it in the links below. And I hope you enjoyed tapping along with us. And please do share your comments. And Rachel, I would love to hear how the party
I
went.
will
So
tell you,
do
and
let
you
me
can add
know.
it in the
Yeah.
comments. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much. Feel really grateful. That was fantastic.
Oh, you're so welcome.
Thank
Thank
you.
you for making me think about kids' party stress, because it's one thing I hadn't done.
It's a thing. It is a
Yeah.
thing. Thanks so much.
Okay, lots of love.
Bye.
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 Bye.